Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Filipino dipping sauce. There you are guys, my Filipino dipping sauce ready to enjoy. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my Filipino dipping sauce: soy sauce, garlic, onion, chili pepper, and lemon. In the Philippines, we call this Toyomansi Sawsawan. Now let's mix all the ingredients. It's simple as that. Now let's mix everything together. Now pour the soy sauce in a bowl. Chili pepper, garlic, onion, mix it up, and then squeeze a lemon. That's it, done. It's easy as that. In the Philippines, we use this dipping sauce for fried, grilled meat or fish. I always have this fish with my Filipino dipping sauce. Crispy and delicious. There you are guys, my Filipino dipping sauce ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.